But trust me, when you read through their sign off of clearing your record, clearing your title, they hold no liability to any of that. All of their judicial orders, all of their public forms and orders is all about being able to fill someone into those titled positions, those jobs, and then them have no liability for the heavy weight of things they're doing. So that's all we're doing with this, all of this is we're taking the stance of, hey, no, I am taking all liability. And then once I have all liability and power and control as the Lord of the land, I now have the power to say, okay, well, let me distribute this where it actually lands and who actually is causing this issues and causing these liabilities. And that's all
Okay.
you're doing is putting on record, look, I took hold of all this liability, defined it all out through all of this process. I submitted it to where it needed to go, aka the original mortgage people that are all fraudulent and voided and stuff. And you can go through those training videos to learn why that is and why it's legally fraudulent. It's not lawfully fraudulent, but it's legally fraudulent.